Doge broke a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just hit over 2,500 Telegram users. If you want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my analysis videos, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Dogecoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see on Doge, we ended up losing a key support level here at 0.185. Now, of course, for those of you that were part of Telegram, we managed to catch this very nice shorting opportunity on the break structure, and a lot of you guys wanted to know how exactly I knew that this structure was going to break. Now, I've talked about this previously as well, is when you have a large consolidation, so something like this where Doge continues to test a weekly support over and over, and we end up losing that support level, you usually have a period of a downwards trend and then another consolidation. Now, a lot of folks in this range, of course, start looking for buying opportunities because they assume that this consolidation is because people are simply looking for buys, but instead the consolidations that happen after the first leg are not continuation move sets. They are actually a drop down further, and that's exactly what happened on Doge. You can see that 0.185 continued to be used as support. We saw multiple wick opportunities, and the key decision was, of course, our exponential moving averages. We ended up using that level as resistance, and then once again we ended up falling right back into the same support level. The more times the support level is tested, the higher chance of it actually breaking. You can see the bears took control of 0.185, and that's why we saw this continuation towards the downside. Of course, as soon as we saw the break, all these folks that entered long positions up here ended up getting liquidated, which caused more momentum towards the downside. Now, of course, the question remains is what exactly is next for Doge? And you can see that the next support level, of course, as I mentioned in Telegram multiple times, is going to be the 0.179. Once we end up seeing that retest, we need to be careful, of course, because a break structure below that, and we can easily head back down into 0.168, but I'm going to be paying attention to seeing how the support level holds at 0.179, because looking at previous price analysis, you can see that this area was a crucial resistance, and ideally it should act as a crucial support once again. What we want to see in terms of a reversal, or of course a buying opportunity, is a strong break above the exponential moving averages with some volume. This is pretty much what we're looking for. We had a downtrend on Doge, and then of course we broke above our exponential moving averages, used them as support, and then we had a stronger continuation. And I mentioned this to you guys in yesterday's video as well. If you look here on the daily time frame, you know the fact that we continue to retest resistance even on daily. When you're using the EMAs as resistance on a larger time frame, it usually means that we are heading further down, and you pretty much are only looking for shorting opportunities. Now, of course, we have not yet tested our 20 EMA, but that's why I'm focusing heavily on the 0.179 as the first area of take profit. What I'm focusing is once we end up hitting that level, assuming the bulls can hold above that zone, we may see a nice pullback back into the 20 EMA, and then of course a stronger continuation downwards, or of course the break that I'm talking about where we see the volume break, retest the support, and then we can create a new leg. Otherwise, we are simply just shorting these little intraday moves on the 4-hour time frame, waiting for the support levels to be broken, and then of course looking for those continuations. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.